Hi guys, so I just wanted to share my cake hack with you, and this is something that I actually only discovered very recently, so I'm still super excited about this. So I showed you how to fill this cookie here, the impressions from the press letters, with sprinkles. And the sprinkles that I have got here, they are really cheap sprinkles from the supermarket. I think I bought these from Tesco's. They're just your simple bog standard pastel coloured sprinkles. Now, obviously, online we can find all sorts of different coloured sprinkles, but I don't always want to have to think about ordering things in advance, or sometimes I don't think about ordering things in advance. You know, I'll be doing something and think, oh, I really wish I had X, Y, and Z, and I haven't thought about it. So with your sprinkles, rather than having to order lots of different colours to fit all of your different cakes, you can colour them really easily. So this is my absolute cake hack for you, and something that I am loving at the moment. So you can colour them super easy with dust. So I'm going to open up my little bag, which I seem to be making a bit of a long-winded job of. And all I'm going to do is pop a spoonful, a couple of spoonfuls of my sprinkles in this little bag. And all I'm going to do is just tap a little bit of dust in. And the dust covers these sprinkles so perfectly. I just find it amazing. So I'm not going to put much in, just a little tiny bit. In fact, I'm going to put a few more sprinkles in so you can see a little bit easier. And then I'm just going to seal my bag up and I'm going to give them a shake. So I'm just going to shake, shaky, all that dust through those sprinkles. And look, I've got red sprinkles. So you don't have to go and buy bags of blue, yellow, pink, orange sprinkles. You could either go and buy yourself a nice big bag of white ones, or, you know, some supermarket ones at a pinch if you're desperate, and colour them to whatever colour you need for your work. And then you can fill in your lettering or whatever else you want your sprinkles for really easily. So that is my cake hack, and I really hope you love it as much as I do.